my. It's the dun. I still got a lot of shit to learn, I'll admit.
Bonjour à tous. Welcome back to our channel French with Eri. Today we will talk about one of the important verbs in French, that is avoir, which means to have. It is an auxiliary verb and it will going to help you to conjugate in past tense. So today we will conjugate this verb in present tense. So starting with the first one, j'ai. What? J'ai, which means I have. Second, tu as. Tu as, which means you have. Third, il a. Il a, which means he has. Next, elle a, which means she has. Next, nous avons. What? Nous avons, which means we have. Next, vous avez. Vous avez, which means you have. Again, now what is the difference between tu as and vous avez? What? It is very simple. Here it is used in an informal way and here it is used in an formal way. So it is a formal way and it is an informal way. Moving to the next one, that is ils ont. Ils ont, which means they have. Last one, elles ont. Elles ont, which means they have. Here il is used for masculine one and elle is used for feminine. It is very simple. So let's take an example. Suppose I say I have 2 pens. So j'ai the stylo. I have 2 pens. So let's revise it again. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. I have, you have, he has, she has. We have, you have, they have. That's all for today. For more videos, do like, share and subscribe our channel. Merci, au revoir et à bientôt.
Money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.